Hi guys, so this video lesson goes over the multiplying decimals check-in that you may have done either last Friday, September 4th, or today in class, September 8th. So I'm going to go through all three problems. Feel free to pause, replay, and check your answers that you may have gotten wrong with this video. All right, so remember multiplication can be written in three ways. You may see it with an X in between it, so like 3 times 4. You may see it with parentheses, so something like that still means 3 times 4. Or you could see it with a little dot in between the two numbers. Still, all three mean multiplication. So for this first one, we have 5.936 times 0.3. Remember, when you're writing multiplication, you do not line up the decimals. You line up your numbers all the way on the right-hand side. So I like to put my number that has the most digits on top. So in this case, 5.936 has 4 digits, and then I'm multiplying by 0.3, which is 2 digits, 0.3. So notice I lined them up all the way on the right-hand side over here. So when I'm looking at these numbers, I want to look at how many numbers are on the right-hand side of the decimal place. So in 5.936, there are 3 numbers after my decimal point, and in 0.3, there's 1 number. So I'm just going to put those off to the side. And now I can do the multiplication. So I'm going to start with 3 times 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. Put my 8, carry my 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So I'm going to put a 0, carry another 1. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 is 28. Put an 8, carry a 2. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. So this is where I will tic-tac-toe. So I'm going to tick any number up top, tack my 3, toe my 0. And now I'm ready for my next line of multiplication, which any number times 0 is 0. So this will go quick. 0 times 6, 0. 0 times 3, 0. 0 times 9, 0. 0 times 5, 0. Then I add my products. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 0 is 8, 7 plus 0 is 7, and 1 plus 0 is 1. But this is not my final answer. Remember, you move your decimal place as many times as you count it up top. So we counted, there were 3 numbers after my first number I multiplied, and 1 number after the decimal in my second number I multiplied. So that means in my final answer, 3 plus 1, I need to move my decimal point 4 times. So I start all the way at the back and I go 1, 2, 3, 4. So your final answer should have been 1.7808. Done. This next one is 6.9 times 4.6. They both have 2 digits, so we can just line them up like that. When I'm looking at my decimal, there is 1 number after the decimal in my first number, and 1 number in the decimal after the decimal in my second number. So now I'm ready to multiply. 6 times 9 is 54. Put your 4, carry your 5. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 5 is 41. Now I can tic-tac-toe, tick my 5, tack my 6, toe my 0. Then I'm ready to do 4 times 9, which is 36. Put a 6, carry my 3. 4 times 6, which is 24, plus 3 is 27. And then we add our products. Any place that's empty, remember our placeholder is a 0. And now we're ready to add. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 6 is 7. 4 plus 7 is 11, so put a 1, carry a 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And then in your final answer, do not forget we had a 1 plus a 1, so we need to move our decimal place 2 places into the left. So start way at the back of your number and move 1, 2 places in, which would give us a final answer of 31.74. And then last one, we have 16.7, which has 3 digits in it, so that will go on top, times 27. Remember, make sure you line it up all the way on the right-hand side. In our first number, there is 1 number after our decimal point, and in our second, so 27 is a whole number, which means my decimal is after that 7. So I have 0 numbers after my decimal point. And now I can multiply. So 7 times 7 is 49. Put your 9, carry a 4. 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 4 is 46. So put your 6, carry a 4 again. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 4 is 11. Now I can tic-tac-toe. Tick off both of my 4s. Tack my 7. Toe my 0. And then I can multiply 2 times 7 to get 14. Put my 4, carry a 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, so put a 3, carry a 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And now we can add our products. So 9 plus 0 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10, so put a 0, carry a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. And then 1 plus 3 is 4. For our final answer, we have to move our decimal point 1 place. So start at the back and move it in 1 to the left. So our final answer here should be 450 and 9/10, or 450.9.